welcome back to my channel. Shalana here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. As you all can tell from the title today, it is a Sasha unboxing and a Pennywise haul. So without further ado, let us get into it. So starting off, guys, this is a Sasha Cosmetics unboxing. So this is the box here, and we have our bill inside. Everything is nicely wrapped. Okay, so we have our Fix It spray. This is a setting spray. It is in a silver bottle. We have 100 mLs. It is very nice on the skin. It's very misty. You don't leave bulbs of liquid when you spray it on. Then we have a shader brush here, and for your eyeshadows, then we have some spoolies. I also picked up some nail clippers. I bought 2 of those. That was $6. This is some eyelash curler. This was $12, guys, which is perfect in my eyes because this is $20-something in Pennywise. And why would I want to do that? Like, why? Next, we have this mattifying base, which is an actual primer for your skin. So this is your primer. It is to mattify the skin while your makeup. Right? This is also a compact powder. This is in my shade, guys. it was packed there. As you can see, right? It was a struggle to get it out. Right, guys, I love this compact powder. It is the perfect shade. Right, guys, I will link everything in the description. Look at that. Look at that color. I could just put this on without anything. Next, we have some eyeliners here and also some lip gloss. So I will show you some swatches of those. I will show you some swatches, but this is what it looks like. I will insert here what this looks like. This is what don't mind my nails, guys. This is in a mess right now. This is what the eyeliner looks like. Right? This is the tube that it's in. Right, guys, and when I've used it to in it a little tight. When you open it here, this is what it looks like. Alright, this is it. Let me show you guys. Look at that thing. You see that? Lovely. I love it. I love it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Lip glosses, one is intense and the other one is natural lip shine, right? Well, not natural, but it's just a normal lip shine, right? And you can see it is peach and all intense, right? Up and personal, right? So this is what intense look like on the hand, on the skin. Right, you can see that. Okay. That looks, it looks so good. And look how glassy. Like, you see the light, how it just bounces off of that, and it's so really intense. It's a nice pinky shade. The other one here is shine gloss, right? As I showed, and you see it's a kind of peachy nude. And this is what it looks like. Okay, it's and so this is what it looks like on the skin. Right, I'm actually wearing this here with another color on my lid, but the color that I put on top of it is more nude than this is. So you see it's looking more pale on my skin right now. Next, we have the Sasha Near. I believe that's how it's pronounced. That is in this little black box. This is the 2 ounce that I purchased. So this is the smaller of the 2. Guys, I am afraid of purchasing stuff online, especially fragrances, because I'm not sure if I will like it. But this one wasn't bad. Not my favorite. Next we have the Sasha's Imperil. This one I prefer over the other. I honestly can't explain the notes to you guys, but this one is more. I love this one better. Again, this is the 2 ounce and this is the smaller of the both of the 2 available. So as you can see, it's in this cute bottle and it do smell nice. I wear this one more. Right, so we have a next box here. Yes, girl, next box. So the next thing we have in this box, guys, is our eye primer, right, for your eyeshadows. Next we have some lip gloss applicators, right. Then we have another perfume. This is the Sasha Platinum. This is also in the 2 ounce and this one smells more powdery. It is strong, but it is more of a powdery scent compared to the others. This is in the top 2 of the 3 that I have. Now the star of this unboxing is this eyeshadow palette, guys. This is in the frosted palette. See, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Any eye look that you see me doing, bet your bottom dollar is from Sasha Cosmetics. Just look at it. Look at it. Yes. Yes, girl. Alright guys, so before we continue, I just wanted to show you guys the liner, and it's like, just to show you guys, like, it's budging. It's not budging whatsoever. It's on there, right? So the only how this is coming out is with oil, and I take water and soap. But beside that, it didn't go into place. Okay, so this is the Pennywise wall. This is the section that I know you guys been waiting on. So let's get it, right? So the first item that I have is a children's like pillow. It is actually very soft, right? I like this pillow. My daughter loves it. She has it. Next, we have a mixing bowl here with a brush, spatulas, and bowl for both face and skin products. Next, we have a finger brush here that is made of silicone for children. We have dental floss that I like here. The next is a face mask that is made for vegetarians. I love it. Of course, we have to get some snacks, so Skittles for my daughter. This is a face mask made of cucumber. I hate the scent. Toothbrushes, of course. Aromatherapy, lovely. I use this to take off my makeup. Yes, I do. This is for my hair. This is also for my daughter's hair, and I love it. It does well. And this Stay Free is actually for my mom because I hate the regular one. I prefer the ultra thin. This sponge was for my baby, which she loved. The cotton buds was for my mom. It's been a long time I've used this, so I decided to pick up one. This body wash was for my aunt. Also the shower, so that's beside the fact. We can't go without methylated spirit, right? In the Rona season. Again, Rona season. So this is just to put in our handbags. Some lip gloss for the handbag. And lastly, we have some insecticide for the mosquitoes, the flies, the ants, the everything. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for your girl. And don't forget to follow me on Shalana Aesthetic. Bye guys.